The funnel that never sleeps. How automation closes deals for you. Are you still chasing leads the old-fashioned way? Manually following up with inquiries? Juggling texts, emails, calls? Scheduling reminders, checking spreadsheets, losing sleep, only to watch prospects disappear into silence? You're not alone. But you don't have to keep doing business like this. Because there's a better way. A faster way. A smarter way. Welcome to the funnel that never sleeps, where automation does the heavy lifting. So you can focus on what matters most, closing deals, growing your brand, and actually living your life. Here's the reality. Most small business owners, coaches, service providers, and sales teams lose opportunities not because they don't have leads, but because they can't follow up fast enough or track those leads properly through every step of the customer journey. But now you can change that. With Hire James AI Automation, we give you a complete done-for-you system that captures, nurtures, and converts leads on autopilot. Let's break it down. What does this system do? First, it captures every lead. Whether someone clicks a link, fills out a form, texts your business, or calls you and hangs up, our system grabs their info instantly. No more wondering who reached out. No more missed messages. Even if you miss a call, the system sends an automatic text back. Hey, sorry we missed you. How can we help? That one message? It can bring a lost lead back to life. Second, it follows up automatically. Let's be honest. Most leads aren't ready to buy on day one. That's why we build smart automated workflows for you. Texts, emails, and follow-ups time perfectly so your brand stays top of mind. Instead of sitting by your phone hoping they reply, you wake up to messages like, "Thanks for following up, I'm ready to book." Or better yet, you check your calendar and the appointment is already there. Third, it simplifies booking. Tired of the back and forth? What time works for you? How about next Tuesday? Oops, I double booked? Our system connects directly to your calendar and lets leads book themselves on your terms. They pick the time. You get the confirmation. Everyone wins. Fourth, it shows you the numbers. No more guessing what's working. You'll have a full dashboard that tracks every lead, every source, every conversion, and even how much each deal is worth. You see your pipeline, not as a mystery, but as a clear, actionable roadmap to revenue. Fifth, it helps you build trust. We integrate review requests and reputation management right into the system. After every appointment or deal, your clients are invited to leave a review on Google, Facebook, wherever matters to your business. The result? Your brand builds trust passively, consistently, and authentically, while you focus on serving. All of this in one place. One login. One dashboard. No more juggling multiple platforms. No more duct taping software together. We set it up for you. We migrate your existing tools if needed. We even help you train your team. It's truly done for you. Because you shouldn't have to become a tech expert to grow your business. Here's the bottom line. You work hard to attract leads. But if you don't follow up fast, if you don't stay visible, if you don't build trust quickly, you're leaving money on the table. That's not just frustrating. That's expensive. With the Hire James AI automation system, you'll stop losing leads, stop missing sales, and start seeing your business work for you, even while you sleep. So ask yourself, are you still doing things manually? Are your leads slipping through the cracks? Is your calendar as full as it should be? If the answer is no, it's time to upgrade. Let us build the funnel that never sleeps. So your business keeps growing, your brand stays visible, and your time becomes your own again. It's not just automation. It's freedom. And it starts now.